technique that we're using is a zigzag teasy light. We're taking the zigzag section and teasing it. Then we're gonna flip up the negative triangles and alternate. So I'm gonna tease this lightly. It's gonna be a push, push. Then we're collecting the tease that we started to the scalp. So we're not gonna over tease because that could create a mess, the shampoo bowl. Once we highlight this section, we're gonna flip it up, clip it, then we're gonna isolate the negative triangles living underneath the positive. We're gonna create this technique all the way through to create these interlocking positive and negatives for a chocolate and vanilla swirl ice cream effect. All right, we're about to start her color. We've already pre-sectioned her off. We're gonna be using a sectioning pattern inspired by the rhombus air touch technique, but we're going to be doing a zigzag teasy light effect. The reason being, her hair is curly, which means the color is gonna expand. So I don't wanna create something too blended, otherwise it's gonna disappear. I wanna create ribbons that are gonna come beautifully into those swirly curls. We're gonna be working with the Schwarzkopf. We have our Precision Lightener. This is a brand new lightener that they just came out with. It's super gentle, which is great for her texture because it's very porous and brittle. We're gonna use a low volume of peroxide to start. If we need to, we can bump it up, but I don't think we're gonna have to.